Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. As the air gets cooler and the leaves turn all sorts of pretty colors, it's time to dive into everything that makes fall special. And guess what? We are starting with something simple yet awesome. Our new video, Fall Nails, getting into the autumn spirits. Let's play with fall colors. Every notice how everything changes as seasons do. Well, the colors we put on your nails to do. Get ready to see some shades that match the warm and cozy feel of all. We are talking deep, warm burgundy, earthy orange, claiming oil green, and those timeless natural tones that match just about everything. Time to get creative. We all secretly love showing off all our nails, right? Well, fall is the perfect time to show off your artsy sides. Our super talented nail artist is here to help you to turn your nails into cool canvases. From delicate leaf patterns to cozy weather designs, we have got step-by-step tips that make your nails stand out. Preparing with texture and treatments, it's not just book about looks, it's about how things feels too. We are jumping into the world of textures and treatments like matte topcoat that feels super soft. Don't forget glossy finish that look like raindrops, perfect for those any fall days. And they have got easy tips to keep your nails strong and healthy all seasons long. Gentle nail care for cold days. Fall means a little extra care of your nails. Switching from warm days to chilly evenings means changing up your nails care routines too. To worries, no worries. Though we have got simple tips for taking care of your nails and keeping them happy and strong. It's your time to shine. Yes, we are talking about you. In this part, we are showing off nail design sent in by our viewers. It's not so hot warming to see our community come together to celebrate gravity. Who knows your designs might be the star of the show. So whether you are new to nail art or you are a nail pro, our fall nails video has something awesome for you. Let's enjoy the color, texture, and trends of this wonderful season together. And a lot of preparing the texture and treatment is not just about looks, it's about how things feels look like. So we are jumping into the world of textures and treatment like matte top coat that feels super soft. Don't forget glossy finish that look like raindrops, perfect for those rainy fall days. And hey, we have get easy tips to keep your nails strong